My kitten. Hello, welcome. How do you do, Snake? Hello, what would you like? Milk or juice? Hi, Dinosaur. I want some milk, please. Hi, Cat. Do you want some milk too? Yes, milk, please. What do you want? Hi, Penguin. I want an ice cream, please. Do you want an ice cream? Yes, I want an ice cream. What do you want? Hello, alligator. I want a piece of lemon cake, please. Do you want some cake? Yes, I want a piece of cake. What do you want? Hi, monkey. I want a banana salad. Do you want a banana salad? Oh, yes, I would like a banana salad. What do you want? Hi, pig. I want some cucumbers, please. I don't want cucumbers. I would like some fish. What do you want? Hi, bear. I want some fish for my cat. What do you want? Hi, Mickey. I want some peanut butter. I also want some honey and raisins. Oh, I'm full. I don't want anything else. Oh, cat, you are so dirty. Yes, I'm very dirty. I must wash you. I don't like my cat being dirty. Thank you. I don't like being dirty. There you are. You are clean now. Great. I like being clean.